Let's get sporty. Bernard Chepkwony and Hellen Chepkorir are the 42 kilometers 2025 Stanchart Nairobi Marathon champions. Chepkwony, who led from gun to tape, clocked 2 hours 11 minutes and 01 seconds to win the men's race that saw Alex Saikwo and Ezekiel Kemboi finish in the second and third place respectively. In the women's race, it is Chepkorir who outclassed her competitor to win the race in 2 hours 27 minutes and 17 seconds as Naomi Chepkorir and Scholastica Kemboi came in the second and third place respectively. The 22nd edition saw an increase in the participants.
I was targeting maybe 227 to 28 hapo. Na nimefurahi, nimekuwa mshindi na hiyo time nimepata, nimefurahi.
We had a great turnout, great registration, and you have helped us going to make a very big difference. The amount of funds that you have contributed to what we call our future makers, in excess of 75 million shillings. Next year, the way we are going, we will be opening this marathon for only a week or 2 weeks. Thank you for what you've done, and I hope all of you have achieved your personal best like I have personally today. I have a personal best in my race of today.
Mwaka huu tuko na takribani zaidi ya 30,000, kumaanisha Wakenya wanapenda michezo, Wakenya wanapenda mashindano, na Wakenya wako na nafasi.
Advancing the Kenyan economy from a point of view of our sports prowess, and also using it to actually help the economy grow through the returns that we get through the investments in sports. So this is a very exciting moment for me as a PS trade.
Gor Mahia thumped